Good morning, students. I hope that you all are doing well. Dear students, in our today's lesson, we will learn Remedial English. And in Remedial English, I'll teach you past continuous tense with examples that will help you to fully understand. So let's begin to learn. Students, you all must be thinking that what is past continuous tense? So students, past continuous tense is also called past progressive. And this tense used to describe actions that began in the past and often continued for a short period of time after another action. Students, in other words, an action which was continue in past time. For example, you were going to school. So students, here we have used subject you and then helping verb in past. After helping verb we have used verb's fourth form, means ing form of the verb, and in the last we have used here object. Students, if you have noticed this sentence, so I have used here a particular structure to form past continuous tense. So let's learn further to form a sentence. Past continuous tense is formed using was, were plus present participle, means fourth form of verb or ing form. First we use subject, then either was or were, then we use fourth form of verb, and in the end we use object. Students, basically was and were are called helping verbs. Students, we use these helping verbs was and were with different subject. Like we use was with the subject I, she, he, it and singular nouns, and we use were with the subject you, we, they and with plural nouns. Students, I hope you have got to make sentence of past continuous tense. So let's try to make another sentence. Students, here is a sentence. She was playing cricket. As I have told you before that first we use subject and after subject we will use was or were according to the subject. And after helping verb we have used here verb's fourth form playing. Okay, and after playing I have used here cricket, which is object. And students, this is an affirmative sentence, and if we want to convert the same sentence into negative we will write like this: she was not playing cricket. Students, I have used subject and then was, and after was I have used here not, and the rest of the sentence remained same. Okay, she was not playing cricket. This is a negative sentence. Now convert the same sentence into interrogative sentence. So we will write like this: was she playing cricket? I have used helping verb in the beginning of the sentence and the rest of the sentence remains same, like was she playing cricket? And I have used in the end question mark. And students, let's convert this sentence into interrogative plus negative. So we will write like this: was she not playing cricket? Now see the sentence structure. I have used was, after she, then I have used not, then verb's fourth form means ing form playing. After that I have used here cricket, and in the end I have used question mark: was she not playing cricket? Students, remember one thing: whenever you write interrogative or inter plus negative sentence, so don't forget to put question mark in the last. Okay? Dear students, I have picked some more examples for you, like I was eating dinner at 6 o'clock. My mother was cooking pasta. And the other sentence is Ali and Aisha were not playing football. Were they not going to park? And the last example is she was celebrating her 19th birthday. Okay, students? So your past continuous tense lecture ends here. I shall come back with the new lecture. Till then, Allah Hafiz and take care.